So here we are with the leg press. What we're looking at here is the most of it is in proper positioning and everything. Knees, hips, ankles. We're getting good foot flexion. Knees are good. We're not fully locking out. We're trying to get range of motion as best as we can. Here you see the knee angle is actually really good. Just the person's stomach is in the way. Arms are good. They keep in a nice position holding onto the machine. But my biggest concern is the circle. We're looking at the neck position. The head should be tilted back more to be more of a neutral spine, which we see at the very, very end of the exercise here, where it's adjusted to a more of a neutral spine, which is actually safer for the neck muscles. By putting the body under load in a forward flexed position of the neck, we're straining the neck quite a lot here. You may not feel it as you're doing it, but we're shortening the muscles in the front and we're overextending the muscles in the back of the head, back of the neck. So all of that, we're going to now, that upper back has to be looked at for a possible cause of future injury. We're also going to be making those muscles very weak, and we're going to strain them if we keep doing this type of exercise. So other than that, shoulders are good, hips, knees, ankles are good. We're getting a decent range of motion under this heavy load, and the neck position is the biggest cause of concern here, and the biggest thing that we need to look at and fix. So moving forward, adjust the neck position to a more neutral spine and keep it that way during all exercise. Thank you.